back on. It's not inserted the whole way. Looks like she got another issue. I might mention that to her. Oh, I definitely will. Alright guys, so easy one, just relit the me locking my face, make sure it's tracking me. Relit the pilot. I'm not trying to get too involved in it. I told him if it continues to happen, give us a call. We'll probably recommend a cleaning, make sure everything's good. It looks like they replaced that thermocouple before, but it seems a little short. It's not really, it's hitting the flame but not entirely, so let's see. I told him if it continues to happen, we'll dig in a little bit more. We do got some more calls to go tackle. I recommended a cleaning. Honestly, sometimes it just doing that gets it up and going and they're fine and you're good to go, and you don't have to spend as much. So sometimes it's something necessary. Get it up and going. It's running. We got some more calls to tackle. Let's keep going and knock these out, these other emergency calls. So let's go. Alright guys, next one we're having kind of the same issue. Pilot light's going off, but this one I try to relight, nothing. So got a thermocouple. Gonna go replace that right now. And we actually won a $50 at RF Fagers. It was like a little, they do like this game, this board game. It's like a calendar. You put your name on the calendar and they kind of, I don't know how the concept of the game really is, but it's off of sports. And depending if you win a certain quarter on this calendar or whatnot, you can get some money, some cash. And we got $50 in cash, which is cool. That's usually who I go to, Fagers, for our equipment and everything. I always try to go there first, at least. Try to go there first. If they don't have something, I go somewhere else. But they got me this nice jacket too, so that's my spot here. Yeah, that's another big thing when it comes to owning your company. Just having someone or a distributor that you go to and feel comfortable to help you out with pricing and all that. And I have a friend of mine, he's a friend of mine that works there, so he always hooks us up. So let's go change this part out and get this done and get this guy up and going, and then we can go to the next call. ¿Este aquí?
Ajá.
¿Cuándo lo cambió?
O hace años.
Hace años, ok.
Yeah. Y la segunda vez fue eso. Y la tercera, pues ya yo te la dije, que yo la instalé.
Ok. Oh wow, ok. Alright guys, we got the inducer fan motor in here. We're gonna go ahead and go to this car on the roof and get that replaced. Alright guys, we're here at the rooftop. Go ahead, take this door off. Gonna be replacing this inducer motor. Let's get to it. Hello, hello.
Hey John, it's Jason calling from APR Supply in West York.
Hey, what's up, Jason?
Hey, wanted to let you know that American Standard water heater part is here.
All right, thanks, Jason, man. Appreciate you, bro.
All right, you got it. Thanks a lot. Yep.
So, yo, Jackson. I'm John. Yeah.
You being able to make things convenient and the opportunity dealing with you didn't present itself in a good manner for who you're dealing with. And the only thing.
So everything good then, bro? I'm about to turn this one on right now. I'm gonna see if it turns over. Did
Yeah, I
they?
think we're all good. Say it again?
They just gave you a check.
No, I was gonna say he's not here. So in terms of payment, how do you want me to do it?
Who's not there? He
With
might have left.
Magnolia?
Did he leave it with his girl?
Don't think so.
You say you don't think so?
Yeah, I'll talk to her now. Pero ¿cuánto era?
1,150. 1150.
1150?
Yeah.
Okay, está bien. Alright.
Yep. All right, bro. Alright guys, so we're running right now. Before it was just humming, inducer fan motor. Now trying to track my face. There we go. Inducer fan motor is running now, and we're also getting the fans to come on. I'm going to do a little bit more investigating, taking a look deeper, making sure everything's good.